2008 Mercedes SLK 200 compressor. It's got 92,000 miles on it, and this is actually the revised one, so you've got the later style front bumper and wing mirrors and a few other bits. This one's actually a category S from the insurance company, although the damage is around the back. I'll show you this first. We've got the side nice and clean, no damage on whatsoever. Same with the bonnet and the top. Got a couple of tiny marks down there, touched up, and on that corner as well. Some very light scuffing, but it'll just be touched up, you'll never really notice that. Lovely and clean around that side. And on the inside it's got the leather, and it's also got the sat nav, heated seats, cruise control, and a few other goodies. And it's in good condition as well, it's not being brutalised. Just looks after it. Needs a little bit of a clean, but that's about it. Decent alloy wheels, pretty much unmarked, with good tyres all the way around. And on the back, this is where it's been bumped. It looks like there's absolutely no damage, but if you look closely, there's an impression where it's bumped into stuff there, and a little tiny, like splitting the paint, tiny little marks like this. And underneath it's not being touched either. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. But what's happened is, it's been stripped off inside so you can see it. It's creased the boot floor. Well, it's not there, it's just there in fact. There, and exactly the same over there. Just pushed it in about, I don't know, a few mils, but bunches up. And nothing else. And it's been stripped, the back, so I'll need to get the plastics for this side, boot carpet, and the trim that goes over here. They've obviously taken it off to have a look at it and not put it back, which is a bit annoying. But it closes properly. Oh, there's no rust around the top like a lot of them have. So it closes lovely in fact. And the roof will work when these are back, because it's got a little switch gear here that clicks into place, and that folds back and clicks in. So that'll be fixed. It'll be back on the road, and it really will be absolutely no different on the outside than it was before. You just got a slight crease in the boot where no one's really going to care about, and these typically go for 7.5, maybe even 8 with this condition. And it's got a few extras on it which always adds to it, and this one will be 5.5, I'm guessing.